The foundation of Jessica's philosophy is based on the premise that the nails, like skin and hair, are all different. From dry, brittle, and normal nails to peeling and damaged nails, each requires a specific treatment. So let's get started. Start by sanitizing both your hands as well as your client's hands and nails with Purely Clean. Remove all traces of nail polish from the top and under each nail using the Jessica Polish Remover. Never soak the nails in polish remover, as this is very drying. We recommend wrapping an orange wood stick with 100% cotton, dipping it into the polish remover, and tracing under the nail as well as around the cuticle. Examine the cuticles and nails. Once you determine the type and condition of the nail, dry, brittle, damaged, peeling, weak, or normal, you can prescribe the appropriate base coat. Generously massage any Jessica lotion over the nails, cuticles, and hands. Apply a drop of Phenomen-Oil to each cuticle and massage around the cuticles and nails. Next, we are going to generously apply Nourish Cuticle Formula into the cuticles. Massage in a circular motion into the nails and hands. Wrap the hand in plastic cling wrap or liners and place into heated mittens for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Follow with a relaxing yet stimulating massage from the hand and arm up to the elbow. Generously pump Jessica's hand and body bath into glass manicure bowl. Soak the nails for a few minutes. Remove excess skin with the cuticle pusher attachment on the Jessica nail care machine. Start at the side of the nail and gently guide the pusher toward the center. Take a moment to assess the current shape of the natural nail and how you will improve and perfect it. Compare nails on each hand. If the nail needs to be trimmed, use your toenail nipper and trim to match the nail length. Choose the appropriate file based on your client's nail type. Gently file each nail in one direction, making sure the file is perpendicular to the free edge. To shape the nail, stroke the file gently at a 45-degree angle, playing the file across the nail like a violinist. File down in one direction to smooth the edge and close the layers of the nail. Place the hand back in the water and repeat the filing process on the other hand. Remove the left hand and brush the nails briskly with a natural bristle brush to remove any oily residue. Gently push back the cuticle of each nail. Using a cuticle nipper, trim only the ragged edges, hangnails, and excess skin. For this client, we are using Reward, a base coat for normal nails. Apply 2 generous coats of the appropriate base coat treatment. The first coat under and on top of the nail, and the second coat on top of the nail. Use 8 to 10 strokes and seal the edges. Generously apply 2 coats of your favorite color to the nail. First under the nail, then over the nail, stroking downward toward the tip. Make sure you seal the edges. Clean any residue with an orange wood stick wrapped in a thin layer of 100% cotton. Now we will top the custom nail color with 1 coat of Top Priority, which seals the manicure like a ceramic glaze. Apply generously under and over the nail and seal the edges. Follow with 1 coat of fast-drying Brilliance on top of the nail, which will leave a high-gloss shine and dries in moments. Make sure you seal the edges. Apply 1 drop on each nail of Jessica Quick Dry. This will help protect the nails and prevent smudging. If you treat her well, using the best products and methods available, and take the extra time to do it right, she will be your client for life.